Nathan Price is a high-valued asset.
We've got 36 hours to find this kid before they do.
Who are these people?
They can't be trusted.
Hi Taylor, welcome back to Mexico.
Thank you.
About the movie, what did you like about the script that made you decide to accept the role?
I mean, a couple things. One, I mean, when I heard the idea of the movie, I just thought it was super cool. You know, just the fact that a normal teenager is put in this extreme situation. I mean, I just had to tell that story. But then I knew as an actor this movie would be challenging for me. And I love challenging myself, and it was challenging, but it was a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm. Also, your big first role as a big role. How important is this for your career?
I mean, it's very important. I mean, I try and, I mean, I was just passionate about this, and I try and stay focused on that. And I mean, I'm very proud of it, and I'm just really excited for people to see it.
Mm-hmm. Your character Nathan says, "Sometimes I feel like a freak. I feel different."
Yes.
Do you relate to your character? I mean, you're 19, and this fame could be overwhelming.
Yeah, no, it definitely can. And I mean, sometimes I do feel different. I think everybody has those moments, especially when you're Nathan's age and you're in high school. I think we all have those moments where we doubt ourselves and feel different and feel like we don't exactly fit in. So I could relate to that in Nathan. I mean, it was tougher to relate to Nathan, you know, after he found out his entire life was a lie. Yeah. I mean, that's very difficult, but I wanted to challenge myself to that.
How was working with actors like Sigourney Weaver, Maria Bello, Alfred Molina? What did you learn from them?
I mean, I was so fortunate to be surrounded by a cast like that. They're all incredible actors, and I mean, I would watch them and just observe them, and I mean, they're some of the best actors out there. So it was an honor for me to just be able to work with them. But what I loved about them the most is seeing how down to earth and how hardworking they are. I mean, that was really important for me.
Mm-hmm. In the movie, we see you kicking, jumping, an amazing fight scene in a train.
Oh, yes.
How do you prepare for these scenes?
I mean, there was definitely a lot of training involved. I mean, I did martial arts from a very young age, so that definitely came into play here, and that was helpful. But then there was, you know, a few things in the movie that I'd never done before, and I had to train in that to make it look as real as possible.
Mm-hmm. You see yourself as the next action hero?
I mean, I don't see myself as that. I mean, I'm extremely thankful for the position I'm in right now, and I mean, I want to continue to challenge myself to different things. And what I love about this movie is, you're right, it does have a lot of action in it, but it's not just an action movie. It has something in it for everyone.
Mm-hmm. Tell me about the love scenes. You feel nervous when you were doing it?
A little bit. I mean, yeah, the one in the train's pretty intense. Mm-hmm. But no, they were good. Those will be exciting to watch.
How do you define the movie?
How do I define it?
You already watched it?
Yes. I've seen it quite a bit. I'm very proud of it. Like I said earlier, I think it's a movie for everyone. I call it an action, drama, thriller, romance because it has all of those elements in it, and I'm really excited for people to see it.
How did you feel when you was in the theater watching the movie for the first time?
I was super excited because I've been waiting for so long to see this movie. I mean, I've been thinking about it for such a long time. So, I mean, to finally see the end product was great for me. It's very exciting.
Well, Taylor, thank you for your time, and thank you for being here in Mexico. What do you think about the Mexican fans?
I love them. I mean, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my fans. So it's great for me to be able to travel and see the fans and thank them for everything they've given me.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.